Guys, okay, look around. It is the break of dawn. I am looking dusty. We.
Oh. That is looking dusty.
We are looking dusty.
Oh.
You say you're not looking dusty? I beg to differ.
Okay.
But y'all, we are on a covert mission. The biggest part is already over. Excuse me for looking like this, coming on camera. Why you laughing? But we had to get up to the park quick and in a hurry. I hope this ain't too much light that y'all can see me in. But anyway, you had to get up to the park. Okay, today is Jalyn's graduation party. And for the parks during COVID in our area, you have to get to the park to reserve it.
First come, first serve.
First come, first serve. And yesterday somebody got here. We came by about, what was that, 5 and we talked to them. I mean, they were camped out like all day. And we asked them how early they got there, and they said about 7. And the guy had told us on the phone about 7 to, it's the earliest you can get here. So y'all, we got up at 5 something. And yeah, my alarm clock went off at 5:40. I'd already showered last night and everything.
Tell me what you did.
I got into bed at 2.
Tell me what you did.
3.
Tell me
What?
you woke me up.
Oh, I woke her up
Disrespectfully. Flickering the lights and everything. What is this?
Oh my goodness. I turned on her lights.
Apartment me, please.
I turned on her lights really bright in the room.
Yeah.
I said, you be ready in 10 minutes.
Like it was a stick up or something.
I said, you be ready in 10 minutes. And so we hurried up and got ready and got here by 6:02. And so we got here first. But we had sent out invitations and everything with the park name, address, and all that. And knew we had to get here first to get her. I was praying the whole way. That was the scariest 2 minutes of my life.
I know when I say this, that's somebody sitting there, your heart dropped.
It did. It did.
Luckily, it was only the trash can.
It was only the
my
trash
eyes
can.
deceived me in the morning. You know, somebody messed with my vision this morning.
I'm so sorry.
You're not. Ooh.
So anyway, come along with us. This is our Sunday at Jalyn's college barbecue graduation.
You ain't got no choice to come along with us now.
There go Big Bastion. Big Bash. So we waited about a half hour, close to about 45 minutes. Somebody else did ride by, and we had gotten here first, and we're getting the decorations on. So this is a somewhat before. The garbage is still here from yesterday. Somebody was here yesterday. So we're gonna have to move the garbage down there. My husband and son will do that when they get here. I'll tell them to bring some gloves, some rubber gloves, and we have to sweep this out. We're getting the tablecloths on in A&M colors as much as possible.
Congratulations, sweet niece. We're so proud of you. Graduated with honors and debt free.
Hey, ladies. Hey. Down here at Jalyn's graduation. And
That's Nana, my line.
Nana, line sister. Sis Christina. Yes. And Miss Jalyn. So happy graduation, Miss J. Our fashionista, and look at what Miss has on her feet. Those are sharp. Love those. Thank you. Somebody just made themselves comfortable in my bed.
And did.
I'm editing a video, and I have company, so check with y'all later. Hey guys, so it is Thursday morning, and I am recommitting to my Plexus journey. A lot of you all know we are in the process of redoing our house, but while we were doing the kitchen, it was just impossible to stick to a good eating plan, and I didn't want to, throw my Plexus off by just eating the way we were. It was just, we were not eating good. So I'm back on my Plexus, and I'm looking so forward to being more healthy, looking forward to the weight loss, and I decided to drink it out of my little Mother's Day cup I got from BJ's Restaurant. And yeah, this was full. It was full. You can drink it out of whatever you want to, but I just wanted to be a little fancy this morning. But it's delicious. I am going to try lemons in mine next time. Someone said lemons makes it taste like a strawberry type lemonade or something like that. So I'm going to try that next time. But I'm so looking forward to my Plexus journey again. So I just bought an iron, this Black & Decker one steam iron, and it is so pretty and sleek. I love this. I'm showing you this because our iron just went kaput when we were on our way out of town to Jalyn's graduation, and I have not had the best luck with irons. The last one we got lasted the longest, and it was the cheapest one. It was like $9, I think. I can't even remember what the brand was, y'all, but it was one on the cheaper side, and it lasted the longest. I bought things before, irons before, and they lasted not quite a year. I am hoping this one is going to be better, but I got this from Walmart, and it was, I believe it was $17 or $18. And it is so pretty. I just brought it on because, an iron looks like an iron. But I said, well, look at that. It's all sleek and navy and shiny, chrome or whatever. But it looks so pretty. Anyway, I've used it, and it is very nice. If I can find a link, I will link it down below in the description box. Drop down description box below to Amazon. If they sell this on Amazon. And I'll try to link it for you. But it's working well so far. I hope it keeps it up. Y'all let me know what irons y'all have used that lasted a long time too. Because I have never, well, for the longest, I have not had that great of luck with irons. Look at that plate. I've never seen a iron plate like that. But anyway, that's my new little gadget that I got. So today is Isaiah's last day of school. And I'm gonna drop him off. Put your seatbelt on. Are you excited about being a junior? Why do you think you're not excited? It's just school is school, regardless of what grade? Okay. He's so excitable, you all. So excitable. So Jalyn and Christina are headed out of town for the weekend. They're going to Gatlinburg. All right, well, have fun. Be safe.
Be safe.
Yes. They're going to meet some other friends down there and have a good time.
See you later.
Bye.
It ain't gonna fall. You ain't gotta worry about that. As long as this wire that's on here is not old and brittle, which it don't seem to be, I got it through that loop first, and then I'm wrapping it around. It ain't gonna go nowhere.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning and I'm making biscuits. I did not make homemade this morning. I'm making canned biscuits, Pillsbury buttermilk biscuits. So I'm making those. I'm on my way to church to usher a funeral. So trying to get up and get breakfast ready. Chris has already left out. He had a game, and then Isaiah, he's still asleep. And so I'm making breakfast for me and him. Chris has already ate. And about to get started with my dad. Saturday night. We just got back from Cheddars. It is about 8:45 right now. Just got back from Cheddars and it was delicious. It was the first time that we went, me and my husband, and it was so good. I've heard people mention it before, but we had never went. I don't know why, but it was delicious. So we will be going back. For the appetizer, well, y'all saw it. The spinach, queso, and chicken tender trio. It was so good, and both of us, you know, we were almost full before the meals came, so that was delicious. And then we stopped by my nephew's house to drop off a tool that my husband had borrowed while we were doing the remodel, a compressor or something. So then we rode back home, and it was so, oh, we picked up Isaiah from work. Isaiah's working. Isaiah's working. Isaiah got a job. So we picked him up from work. But we had dropped him off at home before we dropped off the compressor. So it was just me and my husband riding back from my nephew's house. And it was so pretty outside. It was so pretty. 80 degrees, no sun, because it was about 7:30 in the evening at that time. So no sun, and we had the windows down, just listening to music. Just, oh, it was so nice, so nice. The cicadas are coming, though, y'all. I don't know what area of the country y'all are in, but we're in the Midwest, and the cicadas are coming. You can hear them in the trees and everything. I haven't seen one yet, but other people around have seen them. They're in people's trees and bushes and stuff, so it's only a matter of time before they're flying everywhere. But anyway, I'm about to take my shower, get in the bed, try to get this video uploaded for tomorrow morning if I can. I hope I can. Usually vlogs take a long time to edit, but I think I got a handle on it. But yeah. Oh, I want to show y'all these shoes that I got. Hold on. Y'all, look at these. These are so cute. So stinking cute. They are so comfortable. I got these from Walmart for $14.85, $14.95, something like that. I love these. These are the first day I'm wearing them. They feel good. They're comfortable, and I love them. I got them from Walmart when we were down in Alabama at Jalyn's college, at her college graduation, and I saw these and grabbed them. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. I would imagine they're at all the Walmarts or whatever, but love these. So if you're looking for just a slide in, something comfortable, you can run to the store in or wear with a cute outfit. Yeah, these are it. Cute. All right, guys. See y'all next time. Love y'all. Oh, thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Bye, y'all.